Promoting YouTube videos and YouTube channel. After monetization of YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel with Google Ads. My dashboard of Google Ads. I have got 5130 views with 84,600 impression. The CPV is 0.18 Indian rupees. The total cost it take is 905 Indian rupees. The stats of my Google Ads of YouTube videos gives me the much more views than the RPM I get in the YouTube channel. If I get 50 Indian rupees in YouTube channel, I am promoting my YouTube video at 0.01 Indian rupees CPV, then I get at 10,000 Indian rupees views. I get a profit of 40 Indian rupees per 1,000 views. You can also get the same type of stats on your Google Ads dashboard for your YouTube videos. You can earn from YouTube by using Google Ads. Google Ads is the only cheapest way to promote YouTube videos. Facebook ads is very costly and other all ad platform are very costly. You can see my dashboard custom dates. How to see the stats by changing the dates from the calendar of Google Ads. I started with CPV 0.20 Indian rupees and my CPV was 0.18 Indian rupees. Later it drops to 0.11 Indian rupees. My account is suspended. I have submitted the form for the reactivation of my Google Ads account. I will make separate video on account suspension and policy of Google Ads account. You can see the campaigns you are running in your past campaigns, your ad groups by scrolling the left menu bar. You can select the running ads group and change the status of CPV by editing it. You can see the keywords you placed from the content menu bar. You can add or remove keyword from this section. If you use keyword, then you can use it, otherwise there are other option too of placements and topics too. In this ad I am using keywords only, but topics is also very good choice to use on any YouTube video promotion. You can check your keyword stats of impression, views, CPV, as I have created the campaign for my YouTube video to promote with Google Ads. You can see how to set up a new campaign. Select the campaign with create a campaign without a goal. Other option can also be selected, but I usually use to select campaign without goals. Scroll down to select video, get views is automatically selected, do not change it, and then click continue. Get reach and other options are also available, but get views I want to get from my Google Ads campaign I am creating. Change the title of the campaign with new campaign name. It must be done to lower your CPV and get good audience to get better number of views. Maximum CPV is selected with manual budget, and dates should be entered. The type should be campaign total for better result. Budget should be maximum with 65,000 Indian rupees I am keeping. For better results, start with a big amount and promote your YouTube video with Google Ads. Select the dates with daily budget of 20-31 Indian rupees. You can configure dates from the Google Ads calendar itself. Locations must be all countries. You can target your location to any other countries, one or many, and locations to as many locations in same country. This will lead to increase your CPV. As my video is in English only, I selected the language as English only. If your video is any other language, you can select it. You can select one or multiple languages too. In additional settings, select device as mobile only and no other device, as most of the users see YouTube videos on mobile only rather than any other devices. Copy the same campaign name as your ad group name. Select frequency capping as cap impression frequency is 1 per day, and cap view frequency is 1 per day. This led to same user only once a day can view your ad. Selecting ad group name led to the less CPV. With frequency capping, this will lead you to view your ads to unique viewers with much more views. Select demographics as age only from 18 to 44. Gender male and female only selected. And household income unknown should be unselected, rest same as it is. Demographics target the audience to increase the view rate with less impression. In audience segments, select the audience that suits to your YouTube video ads. My video suits to the segments is technology, business technology, enterprise software, network system and services, hosted data and cloud storage, etc. Select as many as your ads is relevant. I have selected as many segments as my ads is relevant. The audience segments gives a targeted audience that relevant to your ads you are promoting. This led to increased views and lesser impression. The view rate increases so as the CPV goes down and down. Select topics according to your YouTube video category and what is about your video. Your YouTube video must be relevant according to the topics you have selected. I have selected business and industrial, computers and electronics and finance. Search your video by typing your YouTube channel name. I have typed my YouTube channel name Sudhir Computing Technology, and I have selected my channel intro video. You will see all your video list from your YouTube channel as you typed your YouTube channel name. Select from the list of your video of YouTube channel which video you are going to create campaign on Google Ads. Do select skippable ads to gain much subscribes and views. The CPV will be very low in skippable video and comparable to in feed video ads. Skippable ads require much more less duration video. Do create for skippable ads video with less than 30 seconds video. Until the viewers skip the video finishes and viewers will view the video and will subscribe if they like the video. Go to your YouTube channel and copy the URL of the YouTube channel. Copy your channel URL and paste it into the final URL. Display URL will automatically take the channel URL. Set call to action as watch now. Do not use any other button as subscribe, like and share as it is common practice. Rest leave as it is. Give the ad name same as the campaign name. Set bid to maximum bid is given by Google Ads. After approbation you can decrease the CPV. As ads keeps on running the CPV goes lower and lower. Do bring the CPV lower as the CPV goes down and down. After running the ads the CPV will take its maximum value as it is set at 0.83 Indian rupees as it goes to 0.70 Indian rupees set CPV to 0.75 Indian rupees. Similarly lower your CPV until it reaches to 0.01 Indian rupees. You can see the all-time stats on the dashboard from the Google Ads calendar. You can select dates of which you want see stats. All-time stats, any date stats, you can see on your dashboard.